Homemade creams to remove dark spots. Dark spots can appear on your face for various reasons: sun exposure, pregnancy, oral contraceptives, acne, etc. Here are some simple and economical recipes to make your own dark spot removing creams at home. Don't forget that in order to remove dark spots, the best way is to eliminate the cause of them. That is why you should take care of your diet, avoid bad habits like tobacco, use sunscreen, don't sunbathe during high radiation times, etc. The different recipes that we offer are easy to prepare and have the advantage of not containing aggressive ingredients for your skin. We recommend trying different recipes to see what works best. Before you apply the cream, you should do a gentle skin exfoliation to remove dead cells and strengthen regeneration. You can do a very economical exfoliation with baking soda, sugar, or fine salt. Apply gently and mix it with oil if you have dry skin. Bleaching cream. This cream is especially good for darker spots, thanks to its natural whitening ingredients. A few drops of oxygenated water. 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. A few drops of vegetable glycerin. A few drops of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients well until oily paste is formed. Apply this to your skin before you go to sleep and clean it off well with water in the morning once you wake up. Nourishing oat and lemon cream. Besides helping you get rid of dark spots, this cream also provides you with the nourishing benefits of oats and the purifying and cleansing properties of lemon. 1/4 tablespoon of very fine ground oatmeal. 1/4 liter of water. A teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix the ingredients together. Apply this lotion every day for a week. Leave it on for 15 minutes and washing it off with water afterwards. Aromatic orange cream. A delicious and economical cream that is prepared with orange peels. Let the orange peels sit in the sun so that they dry up. When they are dry, crush them up until you get a very fine powder, then mix with milk and a few drops of vegetable glycerin in the following proportions. 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder. A tablespoon of milk. A few drops of glycerin. Apply it and let sit until it dries up and then rinse it off with warm water. Honey and turmeric cream. This cream contains highly therapeutic ingredients, not just for getting rid of dark spots but also for nourishing and reducing inflammation in the skin. That is why it is ideal for delicate skin or if you have eczema. This cream is especially recommended for spots that are lighter than your skin's color. Mix high-quality honey with powdered turmeric until you get a thick texture. Apply this mask for a half hour and rinse it off well with water. Refreshing and antioxidant lotion. This lotion is very refreshing and lighter than the aforementioned recipes. It is especially recommended for greasy skin and when it is very hot. A half cup of cucumber juice. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. A half cup of rose water. Mix the ingredients well and spray this lotion on every morning once you wake up. You don't need to rinse it off with water because it will also help you tone your skin. A few final tips. Here are some ingredients to help you prepare your personal recipe. Lemon is great for clearing, cleaning, and disinfecting your skin, but it can be a little strong. If you have delicate skin, mix it with glycerin before applying it. Aloe vera is a plant that helps hydrate greasy skin and also heals acne marks and injuries. You can get it directly from the plant or buy one of the gels that are sold in pharmacies and herbal stores. Rosehip seed oil is highly regenerative and healing. It is great for dry or aged skin. Vitamin E, which is used as a conservative in many cosmetic products, helps you clean your skin, make it shine, and remove marks and spots. Essential geranium oil has regenerative properties for your skin, which is why we recommend adding a few small drops to your dark spot removing cream.